Hello and welcome back to Design, Create, Innovate. Today's video is going to be adding a new weapon to my collection. If you've ever seen my channel before, you probably know that I made a wooden sword a few videos back, and I really enjoyed making it, and it's kind of fun to hold and swoosh around your head. So I am going to make an axe, and there's no blacksmithing involved. In fact, there's no metalwork because just like the sword, it's going to be completely made out of wood. So I picked out this piece of floorboard, and I used floorboard for my sword as well, and it still hasn't broken at all, but I guess I haven't hit anyone with it, and I have no intention of doing so. So I'm just going to use this other piece of floorboard. It's a little bit smaller and it's not as wide, but I still think it should be fine. So I'll start as I did with the sword by marking with a pencil on here the outline of the sword. I did forget to say at the start, but I can say it now anyway. This project is only going to use hand tools, which also eliminates all the power tools that I would have normally used for this project, just like my handheld drill, which also acts as an impact driver, and my jigsaw, which is what I use to cut out the shape of my sword. So this is going to add another level of challenge to it. Right, so I'm just going to sort of trace out the axe. I think what I'm going to do is make the axe head separately. So I'm going to get a larger, well, slightly wider piece, of floorboard for the axe head. So I'll just sort of trace onto that what I want the axe head to look like. Now, I'm no historian, but I think this roughly resembles sort of like, I don't know, Saxon axe or a Viking axe or something head. I'll probably have to refine it a bit more as I go, but I think that looks okay. And then the handle will come down that side and just go down there, and I'll have to think of a way to attach that on. With the axe head clamped in the vise, I'm going to use a panel saw just to remove the bulk of the waste, because I think it'll be quicker than the saw that I'm going to use for the final shape. Oh, I think I need to put it a bit further down. Nice. Now that I've made a few cuts in this axe head, I'm going to take the coping saw. I've made sure that the blade is completely straight, and I'm going to begin the long and tedious process of carving out this. as you can see, now I need to get back using the coping saw and cut out this bit. God, I'm really hot after that. That floorboard is really tough. Right, I'm going to have to get on to filing this. God, that's going to be one diddy axe. But I think that'll look quite good. Because I am only using hand tools for this project, I've got to use this really old handheld drill to drill all the holes for the dowels. Yeah, so I'm using dowels to attach the head to the handle. So now I've got to go and drill these. So I've already drilled this hole, so I'm just going to place it over there, over the head, and insert the dowel bit inside there, and then it hopefully should mark in there where I need to go. I'll just unscrew this from there. And then I need to drill into this one, into the head. Right, so there's a hole in there and in the other one. So now I just need to get a dowel. So I'm going to put glue in the head first. Then I'm going to get my dowel and gently tap it in with my mallet. Then I'm hopefully just going to push it in there like that, and then tap that in place like that. Right, I'm now just going to get a rag and wipe off the excess glue. And then this glue should be dry within a couple of hours. So I'll just put this clamp on, like so, to hold that in place until it does. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have enjoyed the video, please feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks, bye bye.